Hey guys, welcome once again to Traders Motivation, and today we're going to have a quick review of the currency markets on the 14th of March 2017, see if we can find a few setups, show you a few trades that I'm in, my thinking behind those trades. Just a quick disclaimer, anything that I talk about today and any setups that I show you or any trades that I'm currently in should not be construed as financial advice. Any trades that you take on based on what I talk about today, you do so at your own discretion. So we'll start off first with the US dollar, Japanese yen. This is the 4-hour chart, and as we can see, price seems to have exhausted itself around the 115.41 area. Price came down yesterday. It's come back up, tested those areas. Well, it's about to test those areas up there, and then I'm predicting a short back down to probably these levels down here at 113. So we're talking over a 100 pip move there, fingers crossed. So price is coming up there. I've got my short order at 11532, which is just under this supply handle there, and my stop will trigger and set itself at about 11551. So that's Usdjpy. I do have a long order down here at 11392. Should price fail to hit this target, come down here, and I'm predicting a bounce from this consolidation area around here. So we had quite a big move up on the 8th of March, a nice rally. So if we come back down to price down here, I'm predicting it'll rally a bit further. So that's Usdjpy. I'm currently in a New Zealand dollar US dollar long. My long entry is around here. And New Zealand dollar, I'm not sure if you're aware and you've been following the New Zealand dollar, but over the last week, into the beginning of this week, it's not really making any big moves up. It moved down a lot last week, and I've tried to pick the bottom. Unsuccessfully really on the New Zealand dollar US dollar, but price dropped down from my entry. It's consolidated here, and I'm predicting it should rise to at least that level. However, should we come back up and get it to profit, I will be moving my stop as opposed to taking profit. If we take that to the weekly time zone, as you can see, we're in a bit of a choppy area, but I'm just playing the bounce off this support and demand area here. My entry was a little bit too early, but we're still playing it. My stop's a bit low. I'm probably going to move my take profit, and fingers crossed to get a take profit around the 0.7063 area. So that's the New Zealand US dollar. Sorry, that's the weekly chart, not the daily chart. So I'm predicting that this trade might last into the end of this week, into next. We've also got the we'll have a look at the Gbpusd today, because the House of Lords in the UK have allowed the Brexit article legislation to be triggered by the Prime Minister Theresa May. So we should see some moves on Gbpusd today, as it's basically confirmation that Brexit will go ahead. And as you can see, when that result came out, Gbpusd made an absolute dive bomb, but it has recovered from lows of 1.2107. I think we're going to come back up and probably get up to about these levels here at 12170. Not a trade that I'm going to get involved in today, as it's not part of my trading strategy, but something to be aware of. I think GBP is going to rally up for the rest of today. I'd be surprised if it come any lower. We'll just take that to a bigger time frame. We'll have a look at the daily. I do have a long order down here at 12085, based on this rally up from this area that occurred on the January the 16th. So yeah, we may come down and test these areas and before we see a rally, but I wouldn't be surprised if we rally from where we are now. So yeah, that's one to bear in mind for Gbpusd. And we'll do one more before we go. We'll have a look at Cadjpy, not something I've traded for quite a while due to this choppy zone here. So we've gone lower, low, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low-ish, lower high, and now we're making a sustained move down to the bottom. I'd probably stick a trend. In fact, I'll stick a trend line on there now. So that's the bottom of the channel, just roughly drawn there, not accurate. And we'll stick another one about there. So I'd probably trade a breakout of this channel. If we break down to the bottom, to the downside, I can see us coming all the way down to at least 80.44. And if we go to the upside and break the channel to the upside, I can see us coming up to at least 91.30. So there we have it, guys. That's currently what I'm looking at the moment. I've only got active trades on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. I'm just waiting for moves to really show themselves before I get involved. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that gives you a few trading ideas. I hope that gives you some confirmation on the trades that you're looking at. If you like what you've seen, please subscribe. Please leave me a comment discussing your views, as I like to hear what everybody's got to say on what I'm showing everybody. So yeah, best of luck in the market, guys, and I shall catch you later. Bye for now.